Hey guys, I'm back and I have a brand new video for you guys today. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about selling. Yes, selling. I know a lot of you guys don't like to hear about selling because you don't like to sell, but let me tell you something. We all sell, right? It doesn't matter what profession you're in, what niche you're in, what business you're in. If you want to move to the top of your business, the top of your field, you have to learn how to sell. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about 5 core principles of selling. That's going to help you to get a little closer to the top of your field. If you want to learn what these 5 core principles are, of course, you know you have to watch this entire video. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for checking out my content once again. I really do appreciate it. If this or whatever is your first time here, my name is Kirk Buchanan, and on this channel I teach people how to start and grow their businesses. So if you want to learn how to start and grow your business and you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and get subscribed to my channel right now, and you can do that by clicking on the red button just below my content and tapping on that notification bell, as that's the only way to guarantee that you will be notified when I release my new videos. So with that said, let's dive into it. The first core principle of selling that you should know and you should abide by and you should be living by and using your sales process every single day is that you should only be selling products or services that you yourself would use or you wouldn't mind recommending to your wife, to your spouse, to your mom, to your dad, to your kids. Alright, so whenever you find a product or a service like this and you are selling it, you have a lot more confidence pitching your ideas to your target audience, to your prospects. Alright, so if it is a product or a service that you would not use and you don't believe in, you're not going to have a lot of confidence, and your prospects will sense this and then they will turn away from you and will not buy that product or service from you. So make sure that the product or service you're selling is something that you yourself would be comfortable using or something that you wouldn't mind recommending someone very close to you. Alright, so that is core principle number 1. And what I've found is that people who actually live by this core principle will sell a lot more and will end up making a lot more money for themselves and for their businesses. Alright, so second core principle that you should be living by, you should be using in your sales process to make a lot more money is that you should understand that selling is a process and it's not an event. People who understand the sales process will definitely make a lot more money. Alright, so those who are trying to get into selling and trying to sell products or services based on the idea that it's an event and that they can just target a particular prospect and make a lot of sales will not make a lot of money. You need to understand the sales process. Alright, which means that you need to acquire your leads, you need to nurture leads, you need to call your prospects, you need to send email to your prospects. These are the people who make a lot more money selling. So sooner you understand that selling is a process, the more money you will start to make in your business. Alright, so it's just a matter of understanding and implementing these core principles that I am teaching you right now. So principle number 3 is that you should not just sell, you should be solving problems. If you're solving problems with your product or service that you're selling, you're definitely going to make a lot more sales. You're definitely going to be making a lot of money. Alright, people are looking for solutions to their problems. That's the main reason why we buy. Whatever your problems are, if someone approaches you with the perfect solution for your problem, you're going to buy whatever it is that you're selling. So don't just sell because you're trying to make a quick buck, because you're trying to make a lot of money. Sooner than later, people are going to realize what you're doing, and then you're going to lose credibility and you're not going to make a lot of money over time. Alright, so try to find solutions to people's problems, and that will ensure that you make a lot more money through selling your ideas and your services. Alright, so the 4th core principle that I want to teach you guys today is that people buy for their reasons, not yours. So what does this actually mean? Most of the times when people are selling products and services, what we tend to do, and these are for people who are not knowledgeable of sales, we try to sell them on our ideas. We try to sell them what we think they want, but we don't take the time out to understand what they're looking for. Alright, so in sales, it is often said that you should listen a lot more than you speak whenever you're pitching to your clients, to your prospects, because oftentimes they will tell you exactly what they're looking for, right? They will give you ideas as to what they're looking for, and you can take those ideas and create a product or find the right product to sell to them, and that will help you to make a lot more money for your business as well. So do remember that people buy for their reasons, not yours. So you need to listen more than you speak, and usually they will tell you a lot more about themselves than you know, and from that you will be able to identify exactly what they're looking for, and then you'll be able to find a solution for that and be able to sell a lot more. All right, so hopefully you guys are understanding so far. So now I'm at the final core principle that I want to talk to you guys about today, which is that you need to understand that people don't buy products and services, they buy what it can do for them. All right, so I'm sure you've heard before that people buy benefits. All right, so people want to know exactly what it is that what you're selling is going to do for me to make my life a little easier. So those are some of the things that people think about whenever they're considering buying a product. So when you're pitching your product, your ideas, your services to people, make sure that you understand that the benefits are what they're looking for, and you need to be able to communicate to them effectively what those benefits are. And just going back to principle number 4, if you listen a lot more than you speak, they will often tell you a lot about themselves and tell you what they're looking for, and from that you'll be able to pitch your ideas better and to give them more benefits for the product or services that you're pitching. All right, so I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. These 5 core principles are very effective in sales. If you use these core principles in your selling process, you will definitely make a lot more money for yourself and for your business. All right, so I really do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, let me know by dropping a like on this video. If you have any questions, of course, leave them in the comments. I respond to every single comment on my YouTube videos. And finally, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'm always coming out with great content to help you to grow your business online. All right, so with that said, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.